Hello, hello, hello. Somehow you found me. Oh, with all the thousands of fitness channels that are here on YouTube. Yes, I'm Regina from Get Fit with Regina. And this little channel is all about supplementing what you currently do. So hopefully you're exercising on a regular basis. But if you're not, that's okay. My videos are short and sweet, to the point, and meant to supplement your current fitness routine. So whether you walk, run, swim, fence, box, whatever it is, my videos are meant to be supplemental. So they work on range of motion, flexibility, balance, strength. They're meant to be woven in to your daily routine. So you can do them once a day, you can do them once a week. You can also do them once a month, but preferably at least once a week, perhaps every other day. Your body will tell you how far to push it. Always listen to your body when it comes to doing certain fitness routines. You know how far to go. Respect your limits. The main thing is, I want you to take your time and enjoy movement for movement's sake. We live in a society where it can be overwhelming to decide, well, do I do this? Do I do that? Just move. Pick up heavy things. Work on range of motion. Do that regularly. Your body, your fitness, your health improves. And that's really what it's about. Your health. It's not so much about six-pack abs or extreme muscles. It's about being able to walk without getting winded. Maybe run without getting too winded. Going up some steps, going down the steps, picking up heavy things, knowing that you can get out of a scenario because you have the mobility and range of motion to do so. Because that really is what's the most important thing. Not so much the visuals, but everything else to be able to live the life that you want independently, and that your body will not betray you. So, fitness, when you look at it from the bigger picture, is what's most important. And that is the goal of my channel. So, view the videos, leave your likes, leave your comments, let me know. That way I know I'm on the right track and I can keep providing good quality videos. So on that note, thanks so much for visiting, and I hope you enjoy the videos here.